Hello brilliant minds. Now let's solve this problem together. Now solve the equation x plus 3 over x plus 2 equals to 3x minus 7 over 2x minus 3. Now the first thing we're going to do here is to cross multiply. Okay, now let's use this to multiply this. So we have x plus 2 times 3x minus 7 equals to, so this multiplies this. We have 2x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, now we expand. Now let's expand. Now this x multiplies everything here. So x times x, we have 3x squared. X times minus 7, you have minus 7x. Now 2 times 3x, we have plus 6x. Now 2 times minus 7, that is minus 14, equals to, now we expand this. Alright, so 2x times x, that is 2x squared. 2x times 3, that is plus 6x. Minus 3 times x, minus 3x. And the minus 3 times 3 here, so we have minus 9. Okay, now let's move everything to this side. So we have 3x squared minus 2x squared. Okay, so we have minus 7x plus 6x. Now, when this one comes there, it becomes minus 6x, okay, plus 3x. And so we are left with minus 14. And this one comes there, becomes what? Plus 9 equals to what? 0. Right now, so 3x squared minus 2x squared, that gives you 1x squared. We have x squared. Now let's look at this. Now this cancel this. Alright, so we now have minus 7x plus 3x. That gives you minus 4x. Alright, so we have this left. So we have minus 14 plus 9. That is minus 5 equals to 0. Alright, so now the next thing is to solve this quadratic equation. Alright, so we have x squared minus 5x plus x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, now so now let's look at the first two terms. Now what is the common factor? The common factor is x. So we have x. When you divide x squared by x, you have x. So you have x minus 5. When you divide this by x, you have minus 5. So now let's look at this. What's the common factor? The common factor is plus 1. We have plus 1, x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay? So now, you look for the common factor here as well. So the common factor is x minus 5, and you are left with x plus 1. X plus 1. Okay, so we have two numbers multiplying each other. So it's either x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. Now x equals to 5 or x equals to minus 1. Okay, so these are the roots of the quadratic equation given here. So I want to believe you've learned one or two things. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and also drop your thoughts. Thanks for watching.